Very good evening to one and all gathered here. Today we are in the next chapter, chapter number 2, module number 2 in production and operations management. In the previous day, we have discussed about the basic introduction to production management and its scope. Now today we are going to discuss about the further details in production and operations management in chapter number 2. Project management. So we are going to discuss a topic called project management. Here we are going to see the different stages in project life cycle. What are the 5 different stages in project life cycle? Let us see all the 5 stages sequentially, one after the other, in the next consecutive information. So what is meant by a project management? Let us try to understand the basic meaning of project management. The project life cycle is a well-structured process that helps to monitor the project right from the initiation, that is from the starting stage, to its final completion stage. The project management provides a clear roadmap for the project managers to create, execute, and finish a project within the stipulated date of time in a successful manner. It typically involves various phases, nearly 5 phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling, then finally closure of the project. Let us see much detail in the next few slides. So, first stage is initiation of the work. In this phase, the major focus on how to define the project purpose, primary goals, and the scope. It involves various key stakeholders for defining the strategic objective of the project, then finding out the feasibility of the project according to the budget and resource, and determining the overall objective aligning to the above information. So this is what initiation of a project work. Second one is planning. In this phase, we have to create a detailed plan which includes various time boundary of different activities associated in the project, budget expenditure, resource allocation, and risk management strategies. So here, the third one, execution. In this phase, we have to define what are all the activities carried out by maintaining the proper planning network, how we are managing the various resources included in the project, and ensuring that whether the project progresses according to the correct schedule or not. The fourth one is monitoring and controlling. This phase involves tracking various the progress related to the project activities, identifying the potential usages, and taking corrective actions to keep the project on track. Last one is closure of the project. So this phase involves finalizing the delivery of the product or service, and we need to formally hand over the project to the key stakeholders after thorough completion. So these are the 5 stages in the project life cycle. So in continuation to the topic, we are going to see the next one, the concept. What is meant by project monitoring and control? The project monitoring is the ongoing process which is used to define the progress of the project, measuring its defined performance with respect to the standard plan, and taking various corrective actions in order to meet out the project objectives. So this operation is considered to be one of the most important phase in project management, ensuring whether the projects are delivered on time within the budget in order to meet out the required quality standards. Then what is meant by project monitoring and control? What are the special features of project monitoring and control? Let us see. Tracking progress. Monitoring involves continuously observing the activities of the project and measuring the progress against the plan. Performance measurement. This includes tracking of various metrics like task completion, resource utilization, budget expenditure, and quality standards. Identifying the deviations. Monitoring helps to identify any deviations from the project plan, potential problems or risk involved. So these things will be carried out in project monitoring. Why this is very important, project monitoring and project control, to measure the defined success of the project, address the risk proactively then and there, maintaining the stakeholder communication by regularly reporting the information and communicating with them in a proper way. So in essence, project monitoring and control is about keeping a watch on the project status every now and then, measuring its performance and taking proactive steps to ensure whether we are staying in the right track by achieving the goal or not. The next concept we are going to discuss about project documentation. The project documentation supports all written materials which thoroughly details the importance of project lifecycle from planning to execution. It serves as a comprehensive record, ensuring better transparency, good accountability, and effective project management. What are the key aspects of project documentation? Comprehensive record. It documents the entire life cycle of the project, including the scope, plan, development, changes, and assessment. Transparency and accountability. It provides a clear record of decision activities and outcome, making it easy to track the progress and identify the areas for improvement. What are the benefits of project documentation? Clear documentation ensures that everyone can able to understand the project goal, scope, and progress. It provides a detailed record of the project activities, making it easier to make informed decision. It provides a centralized resource of the project information, saving time and effort. So now we are in the end of chapter 2. So with this information, I thank you all. We will meet in the next chapter number 3, the same subject, operations and production management. Thank you all once again.